Yeah, g'day. It's Chris O, the Australian tiler from Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. Now we've moved into the bathroom. I'm doing the walls at the moment, so I've just started. I've got something to show you. This is what I was talking about. Instead of trying to line up your line in the shower, this floor line here, which you can't because it doesn't work out properly with the waste. You turn it on a 45. When you fill it with water, you watch this. Now the fall is absolute magic. Anyway, I'll catch up with you shortly. I'll see you soon. Bye.